welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Namonje back again with another video. Oh my god, I miss filming videos, like sitting down like this. Oh god, so much has happened, but yeah, so we'll just get right into the video. In the past, I think the video I played last time was a vlog. I didn't even get to properly sit down and talk, but yeah, so this video is kind of, I think, one of my most responded to question video on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at Namonje17, by the way, so that you can be seeing my video updates and when I'm posting videos. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the video.
Bless that African woman, rich skin tone my woman, true African proud woman, rise up African woman, everything so nice, body shape so fine, wise enough to be a ruler. This is Africa and I'm so blessed. I drink water straight from Zambezi. Oh yeah, these women are so fine, a beauty like Kilimanjaro. Oh yeah, African woman rocks.
Yeah, so I posted a question, okay, on my Instagram story, which is right here. I'll put a screenshot, and I asked if you guys wanted to see how I even said kind of sort of DIY'd my farewell, class farewell graduation dress. Okay, so this video, as I was saying, so I had to go and look for the other part of the dress. Yeah, so this video, actually I wasn't planning on doing a video on this, honestly. It's just because I got like a lot of questions about the dress, like how I made it or where I made it from, like people who are here in India, and I was like, and a lot of compliments, which I'm very grateful for, so thank you. So I thought, let me make a video so I can share this side of me that you guys kind of don't know. So your girl is cheap. Let's start there. Very cheap. I don't like spending money on clothes. I can spend my last breathing money on shoes, but for clothes, no, because I know I can make something even though I buy something like really cheap. Let's get to the dress. So the days before the actual day of the farewell party, I was broke, honestly. So, and I didn't know what to wear, but I really wanted to go. Like I was like, this is my class thing, and whatever. My friends were like, you have to come. So I went to this market called Chowk here in India, and there's a part of the market which has got thrifted things, like thrifted clothing. That's why I normally go and buy things. I'm not going to lie. So I went there, I was checking, I was trying to find a dress there, like find a dress, and yeah, because I've actually found a dress before, which I wore back in 2017 there, and I just bought like that and I wore it just like that. I'll show you a screenshot right here. This dress was thrifted. I think it was not more than 300 rupees, honestly. So I checked, I found this pretty dress, okay? Now this is the dress I'm talking about. And then it was one dress actually. It was like a short, it was actually a short dress, okay? So I was like, what can I do? I saw it, I was like, I like it, I like the color, I like the sequins on the dress. What can I do with it? I started thinking, no, this is the side of me which you guys don't know. I'm very creative when it comes to clothing and when it comes to outfits, and if I see something and it doesn't fit that moment, I can easily change it and make it fit me or something like that, or fit you or fit someone, okay? I just know how to put clothes together. I got it, I was like, okay, let me buy it. I bought it for 200 rupees, the actual dress, okay? Like I'm short, it was short, like it was a short dress. So I was like, okay, this dress is short, but I could still wear it the way it was for the class graduation, but I didn't want that kind of a dress for myself. So as I was going, I kept on moving around in the market, moving around, checking, and I couldn't find something. So I thought of like, okay, how can I change it and make it into something that I want? Okay, this is how it came up. Now let me show you the dress, how it actually was. This was the down part of the dress, then this was the top. Okay, so now think of the length. It's because I didn't want to do a video on this, so I don't have like the pictures of the dress when it was a dress. So this was this, and then this fabric, this down part like this was, okay, let me try and show you like this, okay? Let me show you. Okay, so it was like this. This was the initial design of the dress. In fact, even removing this middle area here, so let me just say it was like this. Okay, this was the initial design. Starting, this was the initial design of the dress. Okay, with this inside. That's how it was. So I thought I'm like, why? How can I make it? I thought of cutting it into half. Okay, into the two halves, and then making it as a single dress. But when I thought of that, I was like, to be very noticeable that it's a dress which I bought material for and connected. So I was like, no, let's make it a two-piece. So that's how I came up with the idea of making it into. Now I went to my tailor. That very day, actually, I went to a tailor. I wanted to be like this today, right now, let's do this. So, and that was Saturday, the day before. So that's how he went and found, now, sorry it's my record. He went and found this fabric, okay, which he made the skirt portion, and then he cuts the top part of the dress. You can even see, I don't know if it's possible that you can, oh yeah, you can see from inside, okay. You can see from inside that it was cut, okay. You can see from inside that it was cut, okay, I don't know, yeah. And then he included this lace part, which was part of the bottom part of the dress, okay. Then he found, he looked for correct color fabric, same fabric, and yeah, and this is the inside part of the dress which we didn't include. Okay, so now this is how I came up, that's how I came up with my dress idea. Then after that, he saw, we made it, he measured it, the measurements, he did everything. While I was there, I was instructing him actually on how I wanted it to be, because I'm a control freak like that when it comes to things that I want to wear and how I see it. Yeah, I could have done it myself. Actually, the funny thing is, I could have sewn it myself, okay? It's just that the day I got it, I thought of the amount of time it was going to take me, like to come back from the market and come home and start sewing it, you know, and making alterations. And my sewing machine doesn't work properly, so I was like, let him just do it, you know, while we're just here in the market. And yeah, so that is how I came up with my dress. I bought it for 200 rupees. And I changed it into something. I didn't spend nothing more. I actually paid, I paid the tailor 700 rupees. So in total, this entire dress costed me 900 rupees. Plus, I didn't go to buy any new shoes. For that, I used my own shoes. This is how you save money. I'm giving you guys tips. This is how you save money. First of all, I bought this, I thrifted this, and then shoes. I was like, I started buying new shoes. No, let me use my own shoes. I already have like my shoes which are kind of the same color, luckily. But I could have worn any color of shoes because the dress was long enough to cover the shoes. You get, right? Yes. So that's how I save money. I only spent 900 rupees on the entire outfits. And shoes, 0. Yeah, so let me give you guys some advice on thrifting. Thrifting, first of all, you have to have patience. Okay, that's one thing I've understood, I've come to understand. You have to have patience for it. Like, you just can't go thrifting. For people at home, we call it Salaola. I Salaola this dress, I bought it from Salaola. Okay, so as I was saying, thrifting, you need to have patience. Okay, patience to move in the stands and check around and see what's there, what you can buy, what you can, you know, figure out and stuff like that. So patience. Secondly is, when you find something and it doesn't look good, or if you like something but maybe it's too big, or okay, yeah, it's too big, because if it's too small, it means you still can't fit it. Okay, if it's too big, okay, you can go to a tailor and adjust it. You don't have to just make sure. When you go thrifting, it's not like you're going to a shop where you find the correct sizes, like a large, the medium. Yes, you can find those things, but sometimes the large might be too large, the medium might be too, you know. So you can go to a tailor and adjust. That's the thing I tell my friends. I'm like, you like that? No, I can't buy it. It's too big. No, I don't have time for. Go to a tailor. It don't even take you that much money to go to a tailor and tell them to fix it and just make it the way you want it to look like. So patience, and then when you buy something, when you find something you like, you can adjust it to how you want. The third tip that I have for you guys is wear the clothes with confidence. So try on the clothes with confidence. If you're thrifting and if you're buying maybe let me say you're buying maybe a jacket, okay, or a blazer or something that you can, you know, easily change and try on like that. try it on with confidence. Because you're thrifting and you don't have proper mirrors like in stores, doesn't mean you have to try it on like, this thing is not looking nice. Try it on like, okay, so this, what am I going to wear with this? Okay, what am I going to do with this? Like, how can I do this and this and this? Oh, it looks bomb. Okay, the hands are short. What can I do? I can easily fold them. Oh, the hands are like this. I can cut them and make it a short. Like, you get right? Like, have confidence in what you're trying on. Like, oh, you're looking good. Like, how can you be buying this for this price? Like, even hype yourself, you know? That's what I do for myself. I'm like, wait, are you about to buy something for this price of money? And, you know, like, wait, look at you saving money. Like, you get right, like, do those kind of things. Like, hype yourself, do it with confidence, have patience, and you can adjust clothes when you thrift the clothing. Okay, those are my 4 tips for you guys. If you guys like this kind of videos, because this is my alley, like when it comes to clothing and changing things, because I have a lot of things that I've DIY'd, and most of them, if not half of the clothes, honestly, I've bought in India. Example, this jean dress, which almost everyone loves. This dress, I bought it in India, and I bought it at a thrift shop. I think I even did a video of it. It was a thrift dress. I didn't buy it in a shop. So almost half, or if not all, of the clothes I'm buying here in India, your girl has thrifted them. Here the cut is out of the bag. Yeah, so that's my advice for you guys. Literally, I didn't spend not more than 900 rupees, not even 1,000 rupees. I spent 900 rupees on this dress, and the tailor only charged me 700 because he was like, this is short notice, and we stayed in his tailor thing like for a long period of time in his shop. So that's why he charged me a amount of money. So if you're having any graduation coming up, if you're having any parties or anything like that coming up, you can use the same. If you don't have, okay, let me just say, if you don't have, or if you have, you can use the same shoes, okay? You can use the same, save on shoes, try and do your own makeup. If you can't do your makeup, then definitely splurge on that. Nails, we have stick-on nails. If you want stick-on nails, like, you get right? Like, there are things, there are ways, many ways you can save money on fashion, like I do. Leave a comment down below if you guys enjoyed this video, and definitely say if you want more videos like this of me telling you guys how to thrift like a professional and how to find things, you know, and have patience and whatever. Yeah, so, and yeah, oh my god guys, we hit 500 subscribers. I thank you guys so much for reaching. Don't forget to like, thumbs this video up, subscribe down below, and definitely share it with someone, because people want to know how, you know, you get the designs. And obviously you can copy my design. As I've told you guys, I've been honest, I've shown you everything and how it was done, and you can literally see that this dress was cut. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Bye guys, thank you for watching.